Well, hello there. This is the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat, and this is your astrological forecast going from today, January 29th through Saturday, February 4th. Well, I'm kind of excited about this week because it's going to be a great week to really get familiar and get a feel for that Aquarian energy. Not only that, but we have supporting earth energy. So these two guys are going to be working together all week long, helping us manifest creative ideas, strategies, solutions. It is a beautiful week ahead, folks. Now, I will say the energy for the week can be compared to the trine. The trine, as astrologically, is 120 degrees. It's a very beautiful flowing energy. The issue with the trine, it is that it is so soft and flowing and moving. Sometimes we just get lost and relax, and we don't take advantage of the incredible energy available to help us create what we're dreaming of, what we're thinking of. So this is the week of manifestation, but it is the week of discovering and working with the Aquarian energy. So not only is it the week of Aquarian energy, but as I love to talk about, we are also moving from a 2,000-year cycle of the Piscean energy into a 2,000-year cycle of Aquarian energy. And so this energy is going to become more and more prevalent in the days and the weeks and the months and the years to come. So it's a good spot right now, this week, to start working with, kind of get a feel for it. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit wonky. You know, Aquarian energy. Let's just get back and quickly review the Aquarian energy, which is a male energy, and it is a mental energy. So we're going to be working with our thoughts. It's the energy of service. So as this 2,000-year cycle shifts, we are coming from a space of focus on self in the last 2,000 years into the focus on the whole and how we fit and how we participate in the whole. And that's it in a very vague, large nutshell. It also, Aquarian energy is also the energy of technology. So if you think we're really moving quickly technologically now, just wait. It's just going to blow up. I mean, it's going to be exponential in the years to come. Aquarian energy is also about our individual self. It's our true, authentic self. It is that part of us that makes us unique. It's that part of us that we were created for, to express this part of us in the physical realm on this life journey. So that's the Aquarian energy. That's what we're going to be feeling this week. And we start today on Sunday with the Sun in Aquarius is trining Mars in Gemini, and Mercury in Capricorn is trining Uranus and Taurus. Folks, this is all about finding creative new ideas and solutions to old problems. Now, the cool thing about it is this energy is so productive and moving and working so well together that we're going to be able to see how these very unique, possibly out-of-the-box ideas can be practically implemented. Not only that, our co-workers, our significant other, our family, whoever the group is that we're working with, are going to be really open and receptive to these unique ideas, these different ideas, these out of a box ideas that we have. That is so darn cool. So make sure on Monday with the moon now in Gemini. So Gemini is also our thought process, and it's how we organize and detail. We've got the sun in Aquarius saying, hey, I've got some different ways that we can reconfigure that and it can work out. What do you think about this? What do you think about that? So make sure on Monday this week that we are journaling, writing down any of these unique ideas that we are having so that we can share and we can develop them further. Make sure we don't forget that, and don't just throw something out because it's too weird. To get a focus on it and see if we can practically implement this idea and improve the environment that we're in. So that's on Monday. It takes us Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the moon moves into Cancer, and then we have the sun in Aquarius sextiling an asteroid called Chiron in Aries. And the reason I bring this up, again, it's confirming, it's supporting unique ideas, unique strategies, creative, different stuff that we can use to help resolve a situation, help create a productive strategy. We need to be paying attention all week long to the crazy shit that's going on in our head, because it's not all crazy. Granted, some of it will be crazy. Mars is in Gemini. It's very hard for us to really grab on to an idea and get a hold of it and keep it, because there's so many ideas buzzing through our brains this week. So be aware of that too, so that we are sure to really write down whatever it is that we think, oh yeah, that might work. Make sure we do that. And then we get through to Friday of next week. We have the sun in Aquarius square Uranus and Taurus. So it kind of ends this really nice, beautiful trine week with some Debbie Downers, some pissy potty pants, and now we don't want to play nice together. We're kind of cranky. We want to keep things the same way they've been because we're insecure. We don't want to change. We're afraid. We're unworthy. That's what we're dealing with on Friday. So back off, ride the good wave, that good Aquarian wave, all the way to Friday, where we're just going to have to back off a little bit. Remember to honor the other. Remember, it's not personal. It's their own shit they're projecting on us. And just, do a little namaste or take some deep breaths and just leave them alone and let them say what they have to say. Be sensitive. Okay? That's on Friday. Don't react. And then on Saturday, the moon goes into Leo, and we have the Venus in Pisces squaring Mars in Gemini. I was already thinking ahead. I'm like, here's what this means. Think before you speak. Put the filter on, okay? Especially if we're with our partner. We have all these deep feelings with Venus in Pisces, but then it's squaring Mars and Gemini. We could say something that could be really hurtful, or something could be said to us that's really hurtful. Okay, so just be careful. Be careful to be sensitive and to honor the other, and we should be okay this week. It's an okay date night as long as we don't try to go beyond. We just enjoy the moment. So let's remember that for this week. So get in touch with that Aquarian energy. Get a feel for it. We're going to be experiencing it more and more and more as we move into the Aquarian age. So to get started for the week ahead, to start a great week ahead, let's start with our 3 deep cleansing breaths and our Sun in Aquarius affirmation. Let's take our first breath. I release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from this physical etheric body. Second breath. I release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from this emotional astral body. Let's take one more. On this third breath, I release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from this mental body, both higher and lower. I see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. I see it flowing out of my body, flowing away. And in its place, I'm being filled with this beautiful light. We can visualize this light as white light. It's made up of light, love, and goodwill. Not only does it fill our entire body, but it is protecting us, deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we will say our Sun in Aquarius affirmation. As I open my heart to love myself and others, I experience peace. We'll say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. As I open my heart to love myself and others, I experience peace. Good. And you know, the best way to get in touch with all that creativity that's buzzing around in our heads is to make sure we check in with higher self every single day, at least 5 minutes. Just do the 3 breaths and the affirmation of the month, and that will get every day started, balanced, aligned, and ready to manifest the life that we want. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages and my quirky memes. If you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it. It makes my day and helps me learn and grow, and it helps spread the word that we are accountable for our own reality. Let's figure out how to make it happen, right? All right. So in the keywords of the Soul Sister channel, life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great out-of-the-box week. Namaste.